Hey guys, Ammy here. This week we are making tteokbokki. Now this is a very simple version of the recipe, and for it you will of course need rice cakes. Now, not the puffed rice cakes that you are probably thinking of, but the Korean rice cakes. Now these are soft when cooked and have a really nice bite to them, and they are great to cook with. Now for your basic sauce you will need 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now I like to use jarred garlic in chili oil, just crushed up. 1 teaspoon of gochujang, which is Korean pepper paste, which is a really nice red and thick fermented pepper paste. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm using mushroom soy sauce, so it does look a little bit thicker. 2 teaspoons of white granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of gochugaro, which is a Korean chili powder. Now I brought 500 grams of this a while ago, and it turns out 500 grams of dried red pepper flakes is a lot of dried red pepper flakes. And 1 cup of water. Now I want to start by adding all of the sauce items to a frying pan or a wok, and start with the water. Then give this a good mix to combine. Now the gochujang will take some time to break up as it is a thick sticky sauce, and then place over medium-high heat until the sauce starts to simmer. While the sauce is warming, you can prepare your extra toppings or extra vegetables. Now I'm just going to go for a simple sliced green onion or spring onion and a mixture of white and black sesame seeds. Next, add a 200 gram pack, or just 200 grams, of rice cakes to your sauce, making sure not to include the little oxygen absorber pack, and then stir to coat and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure not to stick to the bottom of the pan. Then sprinkle over your spring onions, cook for a further 1 minute just to coat them. By this time, the sauce should have thickened somewhat and your rice cake should have puffed up slightly. Sprinkle over your sesame seeds, stir to mix, and serve. Now you can add extra garnishes or vegetables to the dish, but this super easy version can be made in under 10 minutes and only uses 1 pan. Now thanks to the rice cakes in this dish, it is a very nice filling dish with a sweet, salty and spicy sauce, ticking 3 great boxes for this meal. Now there are other versions of this dish where you use dashi in place of water, which is a broth that adds a lot of flavour and umami to the dish. Now I do have some rice flour, so in the future I do want to try and make my own rice cakes for this dish, and maybe even some mochi. Now if that is something you are interested in, stay tuned, that may happen one day on this channel. And that wraps up this video. Now I must rush off to finish this bowl and to sort out my script for the video that's definitely not due out tomorrow. As always, I hope you did enjoy. If you did, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.